So now do the experiment number 2 of the LSC lab, that is to use the op-amp as a summing, scaling and averaging amplifier. Now the apparatus required for it: op-amp kit, theta multimeter and connecting wires. The circuit diagram of the op-amp as summing amplifier is this. Again we use SAM 1 IC of op-amp. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to apply a 2 volt of a DC 2 volt that is applied at the negative terminal, that is inverting terminal, through the input resistor 10 kilo and feedback is taken from the output toward the input through the resistor, that is 10 kilo ohm. The positive terminal, that is non-inverting terminal, should be grounded through the 2 kilo ohm resistor. Output is measured using the data multimeter, that is at the output terminal, and supply for the circuit is 12 volt positive and 12 volt negative. Now formula used for the summing amplifier, that is output voltage equal to first input V1 into gain of the, that is minus RF over R1, plus V2 second input into minus RF over R2. Now we fill the value. RF is 10K, so we fill the value of 10K. R1 is 10 and 10, we again fill. So 10 cancel out 10, we get 1. So is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. So minus 2 we get in the output, that is minus 4 volt. This minus 4 volt should be verified by the practical demonstration of op-amp summing amplifier. The second part of this second experiment, that is op-amp scaling amplifier. The circuit diagram is little bit different. What is the difference is that we use the R2 value is 5 kilo ohm. Now the same formula used. Now as we fill the R2 value is 5. Now 5 cutting the 10 factor 2. So this second voltage is basically scaled by the factor of 2. So that's why its name is scaling amplifier. So 2 into 2, 4. Again add the first input. So we get it. V output is minus 6 volt. So in this way, this op-amp is working as a scaling amplifier.
Good morning. So let us start with today's experiment. So today we will perform summing, scaling and averaging. Basically we have to add the 2 input, scale the 2 input and average the 2 input using the IC number 741. So let us start. First of all, we have to connect the summing amplifier. So this IC we have to use. We have applied these 2 inputs, supply 1 and supply 2, and using the feedback 10K. So let us connect. First of all, I have applied the first input to the 10K ohm. Now I have connected the second supply to the second 10K ohm resistor. Now I apply the second terminal input, that is positive terminal, to be grounded like this way through the 2K ohm resistor. Now I have applied the feedback from the output towards the input. Now I have connected my digital multimeter at the output side, positive terminal, then negative terminal. Now I supply the power to this circuit. So as you see, the output we get, that is minus 4.3. Basically we apply the input 2 volt. So actually we getting the 4 volt, but we get 4.3. There is some practical observation error, that is 0.3, and minus sign due to because we apply the minus signal at the inverting terminal. Thank you. Now for scaling, what we have to do, the circuit is same for a scaling, only we have to change the resistance to one terminal, that is here we use a 10K. Now for scaling we have to apply the one resistance, that is 5K. Now as you see we getting now voltage 6.4. In this way this 2 volt is scaled by factor of 2. How it scaled by factor of 2? Because it is behaving like a inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier gain is RF over R1. So RF is 10 as I show you. Now 10 is divided by 5, that is 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, and 4 plus 2 we getting 6. So in this way we getting a scaling of the input. Now for averaging of the two inputs, as you see I have applied the summing circuit. Two inputs are there and we getting addition of 2, that is 4 volt. Now if we want to calculate the averaging of these two input, so as these two inputs are 2 volt 2 volt, so average is 2 volt. So now I have connected to this one. So as you see, when I was connected the feedback resistor, that is 10K to 3.3K, so I get 1.4. So in this way I get the averaging of two inputs.